We finished already main pinion of the drawing. So let's try another one. This is the second pinion. Firstly, I will create this cycle. I will click on the cycle, click on the down arrow, click on the center diameter. Diameter is 1.8. Press enter. Click on the diameter again. This time diameter is 2. Enter. Then another cycle is 6.1. Cycle diameter is 6.1. That one is 6.5 and 7. Click on the cycle diameter. 5. Press enter. Another one is 7. Click on the cycle diameter. Press 7. Lastly, I will create the pinion. So go to 2D drawing. This drawing. The outermost cycle. Draw a line here, quadrant to quadrant. Press enter. Then draw a line. Point 1. Press enter. Then this second line. Point 3. Enter. I need to move this line. Click center map. Click on quadrant. Press enter. Press enter. Click center map. Then move here. Then draw these two lines. Let's connect the endpoint only. Press enter. Press enter. Then I delete the unnecessary one. Key enter. Press enter. I delete already. Then this line also unnecessary. So I delete. Then trim the unnecessary. Then DR enter. Select the object. Press enter. I will trim this one also. Press enter again for trim. I will see the quantity. Go to the side. Then you see this all small pinion are total 17 number. So I will use the polar array. Click on the polar array. Select the object. Press enter. Show the center point. Give the quantity. I will make it 17. Press enter. Then click on the close. I will connect these two pinion. So I click on the S. I will click on the start and radius. Click on the start. Then this is the end. Then give the radius. For the auto on, press F8. Then show the height. I will move up a little bit. Okay. This is the unnecessary. Then I will delete. I need this one also 17 number. Click on the array, select the object, press enter, show the center point, then give the quantity 17 number, press enter, click on close. Now I already got the dish. I will create this inside small pinion. So here I will draw a line, quadrant to quadrant, and draw a line, some line, this Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi line. I'll enter Wi-Fi, and another line, Wi-Fi. I will move inside to the center point, and for here, this one also show the center point for here. Then I will connect this endpoint. I will delete the unnecessary thing, this one, and this one. I will trim the unnecessary thing, the shortcut is DR enter. I need to extend this line. This time I can trim DR enter, trim the unnecessary object. I will make array, click on the polar array, select the object, press enter, show the center point. I make it set number, he access already, so I don't need to change anything. Click on the close. Enter. The diameter is 0.5. I will draw a line from here to here, then draw a circle, diameter 0.5. I will mirror this one. Press enter. So I already finished this small veneer. And the last one is the chain length. Lastly, I will create this chain. I will create this chain. I will draw a circle. Diameter is 1. Click on the circle. Inside diameter is 0.16. I will draw another circle. Okay. Diameter is 0.16. Press enter. I will copy this circle. Press enter. Then show the step line. The gap between two circles is 0.2. In this way, I will press Shift, right click on the from. I will click here. Then I will move the cursor to the right. Then give the distance 0.2. Enter. Total to the distance is 2.2. I will check the distance. That's correct. Press enter. I connect this to circuit. So I click on the tangent radius to the first one, then to the second one. Then you see the command line specify radius of circuit. I will make it 1. So I just press enter on it. Press enter. Here I already got a circuit. Then the unnecessary thing enter. Select the object. Then I will mirror this one. And I enter. Select object. Press enter. Show the first one and second one. Press enter. Here I already got train the unnecessary thing. Enter. Train. Already got a chain. We already finished this one. Now I will draw a chain clip for this one. So center to center dimension is 1.3. I will draw another chain clip. Go to drawing. Then I will copy this one. Then I will draw a circle. Go to circle, click on the circle. Click the center map. Then draw a circle. Then I will delete unnecessary. Delete. To offset, hold enter. Distance is 0.05. Press enter. Offset. Then I need to copy CO under select object. Show the center point. Cursor go to right. The distance is 1.3. Press enter. Check the dimension. Distance is 1.3. It's okay. Then I need to connect these two circuits by using a circuit. So click on the tangent radius. Show the point. Then give the radius of circuit. I will make it 1. So just press enter. I already got a circuit. Train the unnecessary. Then under. Select object. Press enter. Then I will mirror. Select the object. Press enter. Then show the point first one and second one. Press enter. I already got the chain clip. Then train the unnecessary thing. Under the object. Press enter. Move this chain clip to the right side to delete the unnecessary one. And under select object. Press enter. Then I will move here. Then I will train unnecessary thing. Go back to the left side. And under select object to the left. I will make plot for these two chain clip. The shortcut for plot is P enter. I will give the name A1. Select the object, press enter, and OK. Show the baseline. I will give here. Then close the plot editor. I will make plot for this chain clip too also. The shortcut is P enter. I will give the name chain clear 2. Select object, press enter, then I will click on OK, then shoot the base bar. Click on the close. Okay, I already made the chain clear 1 and 2. Now I will create the chain length. According to this drawing, chain length is full number. I will create full number or chain length. When we draw a line first, I'll enter. I will make it 40 centimeter. Press enter. I will move down a little bit. I will copy this one. I will copy this one also. We will erase the chain clip along this line. So I click on the part array. Select the object, press enter, then the part. Then I will set the distance. I will make it 2.5. Press enter. Already erase the object along the length. I will copy the chain clip. I will copy the chain clip to connect here. The chain clip 1, press enter. Choose the center point. Go here. Rotate. Aim for Autocad. I will copy the chain length. So click on the copy. Select the object. Press enter. Click here. Then click here. Press enter. This way I will copy 2 more chains. So click on the copy. Click on the copy. Select the object. To the center point. I will click here. Then rotate. Click on the rotate. Select the object. Press enter. Choose the center point. Click on the copy. Select object. Press enter. To the center point. Then I will copy the chain clip. Press enter. Press enter. Then I will copy the chain length. Select object. Okay, now I copy already the chain length, but I need to trim the unnecessary thing. So I will trim here. I need to explode the chain clip first because all these chain clips are block item. So click on the explode, the object, then I will explode one more time. The shortcut is enter. Select the object, press enter. I will use the trim command. Click on the trim, select the object. Then for the same command, press enter again. Then this time I will extend. Press the shift button and click on the icon. So this one, it become extend automatically. Press enter. Then this one also I need to trim here. That's why I will explode this item. So click on the explode, select the object, press enter. Then I will trim. Click on the trim. Oh, you cannot trim because until now this item is the block item. So I click on the explode, select the object, press enter. Now I can trim already. Click on the trim, select the object, press enter. Here I need to extend. For the extend, click on the extend, click on the object, extend already. For this item, I need to explode fast like before. So click on the explode item, click on the explode, select the object, press enter, delete the unnecessary thing. Here I need to extend. So click on extend, select the object, press enter. Extend already. Then this I also say I need to explode fast. Shortcut is enter. Need to explode one more time. Is enter. Select the object. Then use the trim. Shortcut is DR enter. Select object. Then click on the object. Here I need to extend. For the extend, press shift and select the object. Press enter. Then here also I need to explode. Go to explode. Select the object. Press enter. I need to explore one more time. Shortcut is enter. Select the object, press enter. Then delete the unnecessary thing. Here I need to change. Select object. Here extend. So press shift button and select the object. Press enter. Then delete the unnecessary line. Chain line also finished already. Here I need to trim one more thing. This one I need to extend. Here on extend. Select the object. Press enter. We finished already for chain line. Then remove the unnecessary one. I will move this to item also. And now I finished already for this lesson. Thank you for watching my video and see you next week.